Hey, what's up? It's Neil, and I am super excited! I just got something from Get FPV, and you know what it is? Brand new FPV goggles. I'm super excited. I'm starting something new. Not actually totally new. I've flown a drone for a while. I have the DJI Phantom 4 that I used for the film The Messenger, so I'm familiar with drones, but I've always had an interest in FPV, flying the drones and you know, using the goggles and sort of being able to navigate that way. So I'm super excited to start this sort of new adventure. Just super excited. I ordered the Fat Shark Recon version 2 goggles. Big shout out to my friend PJ Cybulski for the advice on what to get. Kind of just wanted to document the journey of FPV. Just literally, I'm a noob, man. I'm, you know, FPV 101. But anyway, just wanted to basically unbox this today, show it to you guys, and just literally give you initial first thoughts. This is not a review. I've never had a pair of these. I've never had an FPV drone. I've only been practicing very lightly this week, crashing quite a lot. So I wanted to give you an honest, literally honest initial first thoughts. That's it. But I'm super excited, kicking off a new hobby, something that I hope to get really good at, and that hopefully you, if you're just getting starting out on your journey, you can feel like we're in the same place. And if you're a pro, well, you can remember back when you used to be me. All right, guys, well, let's unbox this thing and let's see what's inside, what's come from Get FPV. And big shout out to getfpv.com. I ordered these just yesterday and they arrived in one day. Super awesome. So great delivery service, great job delivering quickly, because the faster it gets here, the faster I can get in the air. All right, so as you guys can see, I've got the box right here and I am totally stoked. Ready to open this up. You know, anytime you start something new, it's exciting. All right, so I wanted to give you guys just a super basic first thoughts of just literally taking this thing out of the box. So here's the Recon right here, the version 2 by Fat Shark. Very nice construction, very nice strap. The cushion here is very comfortable. It's very soft. I can tell just by kind of sort of putting it up, putting my face up to it, that it's very comfortable. It's actually almost the perfect width to my face. So really important that you guys make sure when you're ordering any kind of you know, goggle, that you think about sort of the shape of your face, the width of your eyes, because you want to make sure you're comfortable. So just really like the look of it. It's very light. Down at the bottom here, you can have, it's where your battery goes. And then you've got display controls right across the top here. So as you can see, they're very easy to get to. You've got the antenna here, which can also bend as well. Like I said, just really great, very light. Again, never having used them before, I cannot give an opinion on how they look, the clarity of the screen. I'll get to all that later once I get started. But I just wanted to let you know what it comes with. It also has a really nice little cleaner right here for the lenses. It's got the instruction manual right here. Very simple. It's a super, maybe like a 1 or 2 page manual, so nothing hard there. And again, just great construction. It looks very nice, and I'm looking forward to using these. So I just wanted to share these with you guys as I start my journey. I'm sure I'll look back at these a million months from now and be like, what a dork I was, but it's neat. It's my very first set ever FPV goggle by Fat Shark. So far, so good. All right, well, that about sums up my initial thoughts of the Recon version 2 by Fat Shark. From the little bit of time I've had with it, it looks like it's going to be amazing. I know the minute I get started, I will give you guys a full review on the durability, how good it works, whether it's you know, comfortable or not, how well the batteries charge and last, and all that great stuff. Because of those of you that are thinking about picking one up, you might want to know these details. It's a very great starter set of goggles. You know, they come highly recommended by friends of mine that fly you know, drones, and then also are FPV fanatics. This is what the box looks like. Go pick yourself up one if you don't want to wait for the review. And remember, if you like these kind of videos, please subscribe so that you don't miss future FPV videos or any other tech tips and reviews that I do on this channel. And I would love your comments, and you can go ahead and hit that little bell so that it reminds you whenever I do new videos. And I'll see you guys soon.